now writing to the Ghaziabad and Noida Commissioner as well. And this is a development that is now coming to light after their visit is now coming at a time when there are restrictions that have been imposed by the district administration until the 10th of December. Following last month's violence that sparked off because of a survey that was ordered at the Shahi Jama Masjid after a petition claimed that the site was previously housed a temple in the area. So we'll put out the letter what has now been written by the Sambhal DM writing to Ghaziabad and Noida Commissioner owing to the political and the sensitive situation when we talk about in Sambhal, and the letter there on your screens which clearly says that there has been no permission that has been given to any political party, delegation or even outsiders to visit Sambhal. We have Priyank with us, joining us right now. Priyank, good morning. Today is expected to be an action-packed day when the leader of opposition himself is attempting to visit Sambhal. However, there has been no permission once again that has been given by the administration.
Yeah, good morning, Amita. The Congress party and the opposition has very well decided that they have to keep this issue alive. Because if you see 2 days back, the state president of the Congress party, Ajay Rai, was supposed to come to Sambhal. He knew it for the fact that he wouldn't be allowed. So for good 3 to 4 hours, the Congress party managed to capture the media eyeballs by the high-level drama which happened outside the Congress state party office. Rahul Gandhi also knows this for the fact that the DM has written a letter to all the district administration of Ghaziabad and Moradabad to stop the delegation which is expected to come here. They know it for the fact that till 10th of December, no political movement will be allowed here in Sambhal because the work is still going on. Yesterday, the police search operation even found a US-made and Pakistan, made cartridges from the location of the mosque where the firing happened. So while the investigation is still going on, police is trying to maintain peace and calm. This is what they have been claiming. And yesterday also there was a major movement of the police forces, a massive search operation, and that is expected to happen today also. But Congress party wants this thing to be very much alive in the eyes of their voters, their followers. That's why repeatedly after the day or two, they are attempting to come to Sambhal, so that a question should not be raised that the Congress party did not meant to, or they did not wanted to go and visit the grieving family. But right. The fact of the matter is that Rahul Gandhi is expected to be stopped either at Ghaziabad or at the Chandosi Toll Plaza. He reached to the residence of Priyanka Gandhi Vadra early in the morning at approximately around 6:45. So till 11, what we can see that Rahul Gandhi going to Sambhal or Rahul Gandhi being stopped from going to Sambhal could be the headline, because they know it for the fact that they won't be allowed. But obviously, politics has to be played. They have to show
as far as gaining political mileage, and of course questioning when it comes to the plight of the injured policemen is something that the questions are being raised on part of the BJP to the opposition political party delegations who have been attempting to visit Sambhal despite knowing it very well that they would be stopped and restrictions which have now been put in place. Thank you very much.